Okay, so we got a big castle here. We got a bunch of people here swimming as well, so I don't know. And we got a lot of boating as well. You can park your boat in here as well. And what we're gonna do is walk into this little space over here, and I think we're like on a castle with an island right here. So we're gonna walk down that way. Okay, so we're gonna walk down that direction. This is a little swimming area that's gonna be behind us. We're gonna go in like this. And I don't know, this looks like, I don't know, there's like a pizza place, Vera Pizza here, a yacht club, a castle. I just kind of stumbled upon it. I didn't really expect it. It looks like it's like a little town. The castle. Huh, don't really know what to expect here. Mars lounge bar. Huh. So I guess what I'll do is I'll stick to the right, to the left. We'll just kind of see the whole peripheral part of it. Looks like a place that you can eat and drink. So I'm gonna guess that maybe later tonight it gets kind of busy here. Very interesting. Sea shore. And we have this castle right here too. It's like a little town, not a town. I guess they have a lot of yachts in Naples. Sometimes there's things you just don't know. I can go in here. There's all these places to enjoy, park your boat at the marina. So I guess it's the marina for Naples. Huh, just didn't know. Okay. Kind of learning myself here. To play Italian music on this. Yeah. I'm informing through photos, but not so much in my words. Exploring. bar right there too. La Bar. Huh. Didn't expect this. There's a castle here, but I think I can't get into that.
Lindo, lindo, lindo,